Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, halogen headlamps, voice-activated command system, Uconnect system, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, come test drive the 2018 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, front floor mats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.